aware that Article 185(3), Mr. Speaker, of the Kenyan Constitution 2010 provides that the County Assembly, while respecting the principle of the separation of powers, may exercise oversight over the County Executive Committee and any other county executive organ. Mr. Speaker, further aware that this County Assembly duly considered and approved the budget estimates for the financial year of 2025-2026 within the constitutional timelines which should have set in motion the implementation of ward and county executive development projects and programs. Noting with serious concern, Mr. Speaker, that with barely 2 months remaining to the close of the financial year, the county executive has failed, neglected, and refused to procure, award, and implement a substantial number of development projects and programs approved in the same budget. Recalling that, Mr. Speaker, that in a joint consultative meeting that we held on 10th December 2025 between the County Assembly and the County Executive, a firm and unequivocal commitment was made that all development projects and programs will be tendered by the end of January 2026.
I have personally followed so many times with the chief officers, with the technical people, and I only get promises, and promises upon promises, and nothing really happens. This is serious, Mr. Speaker. Really, really serious, and there's no excuse. There's no excuse from the executive why they can't do the obvious. To the extent that even now, I understand that the contractors are not even willing to tender for those contracts because they have not been paid for long. They don't see the goodwill from the executive that even if they take jobs now that they will be paid for. Really, this is a serious matter for CRC.
However, we know very well that our work is to ensure that the budget is done and the executive is supposed to come and implement. So, Mr. Speaker, this is an issue that we are not talking about it for the first time, Mr. Speaker. That is what makes it worse. We've asked many a times and been promised by the in charge of procurement that within 1 week, projects will be rolled. Within 1 week, things will be done. Mr. Speaker, I don't know what we are going to answer to the people that elected us. Because, for instance, if you put money for a certain road last year, June, and today it has not been done, do you think that the situation of that road is now more worse than how it was by that particular time?